Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text behind a person video edit on CapCut PC. So select your video and copy and paste it, then go to cutout on the second video and select auto cutout. Then once it's done processing, you're just going to go to text and you're going to add in the default text and you're going to add it to the second layer, making it behind the person. I'm just going to type in gorgeous and I'm just going to adjust the font size, and I'm also going to change the font. Some of the text will be covered by the person. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. If you're typing something, I'm just going to actually type in views. It does cover it up. That's fine. But if you don't want it to cover it up, just like put in, I guess, like a space in between the letters, I guess, so you can kind of see the full word to it, like that. You can add in effects like a shadow, maybe a glow as well. It's up to you, but that is it basically. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.